Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about cabbage, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with cabbage. So if you're looking for some new menu, meal, or recipe ideas using cabbage, hopefully this will help you out. In the proteins category, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds. We have almonds, bacon, beef, especially ground beef or corned beef, chestnuts, chicken, green beans, ham, hemp seeds, lentils, peanuts, peas, pecans, pine nuts, pork, poultry, sausage, seafood, seitan, sesame seeds, snow peas, sugar snap peas, sunflower seeds, tofu, turkey, and walnuts. That's quite a list. In the vegetables category, the other vegetables that go well with cabbage include arugula, beets, bell peppers, broccoli, other types of cabbages other than what you've got, carrots, celery, celery root, chilies, cucumbers, dulse, fennel, garlic, ginger, greens. This includes all types of greens, bitter greens and salad greens, horseradish, kale, leeks, lettuce, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, radicchio, radishes, scallions, shallots, tomatoes, turnips, and watercress. In the way of fruits that go well with cabbage, we've got apples, and that includes fresh apples, apple juice, and apple cider. Cranberries, fresh, dried, and cranberry juice. Lemons, limes, pears, pomegranates, and raisins. In the way of grains and grain products, there is bread, breadcrumbs, cornstarch, croutons, noodles, and rice. In the dairy and non-dairy foods category, there is browned butter and butter, cheese, especially blue cheese, cheddar cheese, feta cheese, goat cheese, and Parmesan cheese. Also cream, milk, including dairy and non-dairy milks of all types, sour cream, and yogurt. In the other foods category, there is brown rice syrup, honey, miso, mustard, as in prepared mustard, oil, especially flax, hemp, any type of nut oil, olive oil, safflower, sesame, and walnut oils, soy sauce, stock of any type, sugar, tamari, vinegar, especially apple cider vinegar, balsamic, champagne, rice wine vinegar, sherry vinegar, red wine, and white wine vinegars, and also wine, especially dry red wine. Well, I do hope this helps. Take care and bye for now.